Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nicole and I'm a Virgo who likes to do makeup. Today's video is going to be just like a little life update, a little just sit and chit chat. Ooh, I don't think chit chat. Just a little sit talk and just like life update type of video. I feel like I never really do these types of videos unless like I'm doing like a skincare, and so I'm kind of excited to just like sit and talk to you guys. Yeah, so let's go ahead and get started. So, a little update from my last video. I went and I got my expander, and that's why I was talking so funny in the last video. So I had that for a couple of days and it made it really difficult to talk, and it was kind of funny, but it was whatever, right? Couldn't really eat. It was really a struggle, and it hurt because at night my tongue would sit up there. It would kind of leave an imprint, but that was normal. So one day I was sitting during student teaching and I was telling Kevin, I'm in a lot of pain. I'm so sad. I'm in a lot of pain. I can't eat. I'm starving. And it really, really hurts me. And he's like, you know, try to take your mind off of it. Try not to think about it too much. But I was like, no, like I'm in a lot of pain. It's not normal and whatever. So I try to just like not think about it and let it go. And then eventually talking a lot, like I'm teaching. So like I'm saying a lot of stuff throughout the entire day. And eventually I met with one of my sorority sisters. I'm in a lot of pain, Amber. I'm going to need you to like take a picture of my tongue because I think something's actually really wrong. So she takes a picture of it and she's like, oh my god, you have a huge line across your tongue. And I was like, it's like normal, but I don't know what it really looks like. So I look at it and I had a huge line across with the gap in the side of my tongue over here, and this was the side that really, really hurt, and it was like forming a blister. So at this point I was like, yikes, that's not good. And but like, you know, I don't know, I don't know like if this is normal. So we continued on. Okay, let me call the doctor. So I called the doctor and they're like, send us a picture of your expander and your tongue. So I thought it was so weird. So I'm like, Amber, can you take a picture of my tongue and my expander? So I'm literally in the restaurant. I'm like kneeling on the floor for her to get this picture. It was so funny. I sent it to the doctor and a couple hours go by. I had chapter that night. So I'm like chilling with my sorority sisters and they call me and they're like, we're gonna need you to come in. Can you come in 30 minutes? I was like, no, I can't come in 30 minutes. I'm nowhere near there. I can come in the next day. So I go in and it was as if like, they're like, well, you need to sit down right now. We need to take this out now. It was all these people that had to take out my expander. And I guess like he said, I was part of the 5% of people who the metal expander didn't work for, and it was gonna cause a huge like gash in my tongue, and it was starting to slice and slice my tongue over and over again because of the curvature of the roof of my mouth and like the pressure of my tongue. I was never gonna get used to it. And he was like, you know, we blink about 6,000 times a day and you talk, your tongue touches the top of your roof at least like 3,000 times a day. He's probably like, girl, you've been talking too much, like you're gonna slice your tongue in half. And so I had this huge, at this point, all that time that went by, like I showed my mom at night. I was like that meme. I was like, Mom, can you look at my tongue? Like I don't know. I didn't know how bad it was. Like, you know, was I over exaggerating? Was I not? I turn on the light. She's like, ah! I was like, oh my god, she scared me. So I knew like I had to go ASAP. So I went and all that happened. So they had to remove it, and my tongue is healed since then, but that's why I was in so much pain. And now they had to get a removable expander for me, so it's plastic, and I had to take like a mold of my mouth, and they will be sending it to me. And so I'm excited because they get to take it out when I eat, and so I don't have to go through that struggle. And so for now I'm just wearing a retainer, which is like clear so you can't see it. But that really sucked. My tongue really, really hurt. Literally took a chunk of my tongue, formed a huge blister. And my dad's like, it's gonna get infected. It was a whole big scene. And yeah, so that was, it really, really sucked. And I don't know, having that metal expander, I guess, obviously was not the moves, but that was part of my week, and it was not a fun experience. I guess it's cool that I get a removable one. Pumpkin wanted to get on camera, and I said, yes, that is a great idea, Pumpkin. So Pumpkin went to say, hi, Pumpkin, cheese. I'm thinking of doing a clothing haul soon, and I'm thinking that I want to do Zara because I've never shopped there and I really like their style. But if you have any suggestions, let me know, because I really want to do a haul and I really need to buy new clothes. I've been buying so much makeup that I haven't bought any like new clothes. I've been wearing the same clothes for like years, so like it's really bad. So if you have any suggestions where I can find like cute going out clothes, not work clothes, I bought work clothes, like I want to buy cute clothes that I feel happy in. So if you have any suggestions, please let me know. So I really don't have much else to say as far as an update. I've just been starting student teaching, so I am in Chinatown, and I don't know, can I say that? I think I can say that, that's fine. I wake up at like 5:45 in the morning, get ready, and go. I do that Monday through Friday. I have classes like, you know, on Tuesdays only. So it's a pretty long week. I just went to Target today and I bought some jeans. They had tons of jeans. From what I remember, Target was super pricey with their clothes, and we went today and I found tons of jeans, like actually really cute jeans, not like ugly jeans, but they had really cute styles with different washes and cute rips and like mom jeans and like high-waisted jeans, a variety, girl. Let me tell you, there was a variety. And you know, usually I'm like, okay, skeptical of their prices too as well, but these jeans were $15 to $22. I was like, what the hell? This is great. That's some jeans I would pay for. I tried them on, I didn't really like, it wasn't what I was looking for. They were a little too like mom jeans and I was looking for something a little different, but I did buy one pair and I really liked them and they were only $22. I would say like go check out Walgreens, I was gonna say. Go check Target out and see if like you like any of them. They had this really cute jean skirt and not like a regular jean skirt. It was like, ooh, a jean skirt for $15. If they had my size, I would have gotten it. I thought that was really cool that they like made their prices more affordable. So I don't know, you might want to check that out. But yeah, that's pretty much it as far as this life update video. I just want to give a shout out to Aquarius season, especially my best friend, Nicole. And I hope this month is great to you. And thank you so much for watching this video and I'll see you guys soon.